Hey, hey, there you guys are. Yes, you're back again. Hey, I'm Karen from Wellness Works Northwest. And I tell you what, I have been having a great time this month. I've talked to a lot of people. I've been doing some interviewing, as a matter of fact. So we're going to start giving you guys some of the interviews that I've done with people that have had some chronic illnesses and how they've actually dealt with them. You're going to love that. So when I do that, you're going to be, oh, really? Super. And so I think you're going to really enjoy it and everything. And of course, our articles on Wellness Works Northwest are amazing. You got to go in there, wellnessworksnorthwest.com. We have all kinds of great things. Summer, my lovely wife, just wrote an article on celiac disease. Very informative. If you know somebody who has the disease, if you have the disease, if you think you might have it, or that kind of thing. We just want to kind of engage you if we possibly can. That's our major mission, that kind of thing. And if that doesn't work, then I'll sing you a few songs. Okay, no, I won't sing you any songs. I was just kidding. But just in case you're kind of wondering, okay, what do we do? A lot of you, you first met me probably over at Forever Fit Gym. That's right. Hey, Greg. And I really appreciate you guys coming in and everything. And then we decided, okay, great, we're going to kind of do something a little bit different. And I started doing BMIs, that kind of thing, and measuring people, getting them on a good weight maintenance program, that kind of thing. And then after that, we said, you know what? People have a lot of things when they come through the door. A lot of times they want a little bit more than just, how do I lose weight? They really want to get this. I'm chronically ill. I still need to lose weight. What should I eat? Bada bing, I need to stop smoking, that kind of thing. So after a while, we decided that we would develop a wellness plan for those who want a wellness plan. It's kind of a tier situation. Some people just, need to come in and they want to do some squats with me. Yeehaw! That kind of thing. But some people really want that intensive, comprehensive plan that allows them to go different places. So we start with what happened in 1972, kind of moving into what's happening today, and then we talk about the future. What would you like to see? Man, it's so exciting. That gets us into corrective exercising. Oh, it's so exciting. If you want to bodybuild, if you'd like to lose weight, gain weight, it's so exciting to be able to talk to people and help them make a plan to say, how do we thrive? I don't like that just surviving. I want to thrive now. I got a couple of brand new hips, a new knee or whatever. Bam, that's exciting. So how does life look now? And my job is to help you see and visualize how it's going to be what you want to do. So together, we come up with the plan that works for you. Well, first of all, I got to stop smoking. Oh, I want to get my A1C down. And I just had a client of mine who just got his A1C down just the other day, and it took us a while to do that. And I say us because I was bugging him every day. No, because we worked together. We said, okay, great. What do we want to do? There's something about making a specific goal. I call it a SMART goal, where okay, it's specific. I can see it. I can mark it on that. It's real. I can make that happen. And that's very, very important. So when those goals are that way, then you can actually achieve them. And that's what I do, is kind of help you do that. So if you're kind of wondering, why a wellness plan? Well, for anything that you really care about, you want to plan. I mean, we plan for our money. We plan for vacations. Oh my God, do we plan for vacations? I'm going to Disneyland. And you're all excited and everything. Now, how much money is that going to take? And you need to do the same thing for your life, basically, what you'd like to accomplish. I have some of my clients have gone back to college. They're doing that. So it's not just a situation where we're talking about fitness and we're talking about nutrition. We're also talking about stress and how to handle that stress. It's so much fun. So it truly is a wellness plan. What is it going to take for you to feel as well and as strong as you possibly can? Whoop, whoop. And we figure it out. We do that through lots of conversations and goal setting. Yes! And that's right. We also exercise. We exercise. One of the most wonderful exercises known to man is the push-up. The push-up! You guys are like, oh no. Good stuff. The beautiful thing about it is you are your own resistance. So anytime it's you against you and you're winning, ha-ha, take me to the movies. Yes. So bam, let's do some push-ups, shall we? Why, thank you. I didn't think you'd ever ask. Bam. So there are many different kinds of push-ups. The main thing you want to do is make sure that your back is straight. We're just going to do a basic push-up. Nice and easy. See how my arms are going down? Nice and easy. And when I come down, I'm holding my abs in. Woohoo! And I'm also squeezing. That's right, my butt. Squeeze! There you go. And squeeze. Oh, that's awesome. Bam. It's a great exercise. And like I said, there's so many different variations that you can do. Good stuff. And if you just want to give me an email and stuff, we can talk about how we can kind of make that actually work much, much better for you, because it's just great. Now, this is another exercise I really like, and it's called the Superman. Same kind of concept, but if you don't have a lot of bicep strength right now, bicep, tricep strength, and here you are, I'm going to get right on my tummy, just like this. Nice and easy. I'm going to put my hands out like this, my feet up like that, and I'm going to squeeze. I'm going to come up. Woo! Squeeze. Boom. And squeeze. Boom. And squeeze. Oh, that is so good for the core. These exercises are sometimes not as, well, they're not as popular as others. But bam, you get right down there and make it happen. Now, my last exercise is the mountain climber. The mountain climber. I heard you guys say okay, I'm hearing things. I need to take my meds. I'm kidding. Anyway, so the mountain climber. I really like this one because you're moving quite a bit. So you're on the floor and you're moving. It's dynamic. Woo! Take a look at this. Am I going to go this way or this way? I'm going to go this way. There we go. Bam. So, the mountain climber. I like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to be coming up and up. See how you're moving it? Boom. Boom. See it? Nice. Boom. 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 Now that one, there's many variations on that one too. So you can make it your own. But you're moving and your heart rate is up. And it's just absolutely wonderful. I like that a lot. Super. And so you guys, when you're out there and you're doing things, think about it. Give that push-up a try. Keep calling me. Keep emailing me. I'd love to talk to you. It's great. I'm sending you just positive vibes and super prayers. We got this. Thank you.